장난 맞대면 간주는 양거다.
Get down!
Hey, make sure she gets down.
What are you doing?
Hey,
Drop that picture. Grab the picture from her. Grab the picture.
Get down!
Be quiet.
Be quiet at the sonic click! The bed will never be free!
Shut her up. Get down. Get down. Why do you keep fighting? Why do you keep fighting? Tibet won't be free. Tibet will never be free.
Get down! Make sure you're not able to walk!
Let's go. 따따다. 그래라 내가 내내 교부차시.
네, 땅으로 상마 너도 시리시네. 동생 연계 주고도.
Really, onze consequentie chodos. Kering, kaya nang lola. Lopujik, yang rupujik kupal kebat samki. Songana dadu.
Today in Tibet, a young student has been imprisoned simply for holding up a picture of His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama.
Sunam, ngadini chikpo kalchi matunai. Rang lumbadala, Canada rang lumbadala pepa songa dongsa chikti chena. Ngantu chapti semba de letugure.
Today we can't do this alone. But if all the Tibetans and the Tibetan supporters in Canada, a free country, if we unite, we can make a difference and release the political prisoner.
So, ngantu lagli targudo.
Join us. We can do this together.
Chituke mare, we can't do it. Kaya nang lola, ngantu pindaso, ngantu rumah koere.
In Tibet right now, our brothers and sisters, they need us.
Ngantu chitugure.
We can do it.
Ngantu chitugure. We can do it. The best needs you now.
This is all our fight. I stand with you in solidarity.
Tibet needs you now. I stand with Tibet.
Hirang te samai.
Free Tibet.
Release the political prisoners now.
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 Release the political prisoners now.